We had a problem with the water heater installation here. It has a gas ream water heater, and we have a recirculating pump on top of this. So apparently this pump died.
Hey Jeff?
Yeah.
This is yours.
Oh yeah, you know, you can if you need it, you can have
I've got like 3 or 4.
Okay, yeah, you can just throw it there.
You know. Thank you.
You bet. Okay, so we replaced the pump, and Home Depot replaced the pump for free. They just exchanged it. It was about a year and a few months old, so thank you, Home Depot. That was very nice of you. And the other strange thing was that all of the galvanized pipes were heavily rusted inside. Never seen that much rust inside of new galvanized pipe. So anyway, we rebuilt this whole pipe system. We have our new nipples here. Instead of a flap, a one-way flap, now we have the little float balls in here, so it will admit more water. And put in a new check valve because the check valve was getting corrosion on it and not closing. So there was some crazy stuff going on with this system. We did reuse the ball valve, that was fine. And then we also got these stainless steel flex hoses, and they have a plastic coat over them. And so those should work pretty well. They were definitely a lot easier to fit than the 24-inch copper water heater risers. So anyway, and then you see there's the new nipple on this side. You see the directional arrow pointing up on it, and it has the little ball bearings that only flow one way, prevents backflow. It's supposed to save energy. And so all new galvanized piping, a new check valve, and then we just reused the ball valve up there. And so yeah, it took a couple hours to get it together, $100 worth of pipe and parts. And the water pump was a free replacement. So again, thanks to Home Depot on that. Okay, so then we've gone over everything, no leaks. Everything is holding tight. So we are good to go. I'll show you those pipes here in a minute. And so remember, it's all earthquake strapped in and on top of a 12-inch pedestal so that it is above any gas leaks. Explosion prevention. Okay, so here are the pipes that we cleaned out. This is the hot water side nipple. You can see the flap inside of there. And you can see the rust that was building up inside of that pipe already. That's only 1 year. I have not seen that much rust in 1 year. This side here, look at that. It was like at least half or 2/3 closed off due to rust. Crazy. I've never seen that much rust form in only 1 year. It's just bubbling up through the pipe inside of there. And the Seattle area is known for very clean water, no chemicals in the water to make your pipes corrode like this. You know, look at this one here, and that one there. And this one is even, if you look at the nipple, you'd see that the threads on the nipple were beginning to, yeah, right here. You can see that the threads on the nipple were beginning to disintegrate. You know, basically, all I can think of is Chinese crap. You know, the galvanizing, you know, the outside doesn't matter. It's the inside that matters with galvanizing. And the galvanizing in this just must be crap thin. So then we have this one here, this valve here. Oh, look at that, made in China. And this thing here, we had to clean out. The flap in there works now, but you can see the corrosion that was stuck to it. And I don't know if it's just a crappy metal or what, but the rust and corrosion was building up on this valve here too. So we changed that. The copper risers here, you can see all the rust that's built up on the washers for this thing. Yeah, that side's okay. This side's okay. And this side is okay. I think I actually cleaned this side out. So this is the side that was connected to the galvanized on the water heater. And this side was connected to a copper fitting or brass fitting on PEX. So anyway, the water heater is working fine now. We replaced all the pipe on it, and Home Depot did a good thing. They stood up, backed the product, and they replaced it free of charge. So that was good. Anyway, so these parts are going to go down to the unknown mechanic, because the unknown mechanic lives on a farm, and it's 40 miles for him to go to the store to get stuff. So we'll just give him these things here, and usually when he needs to fix pipes, it's out in the field or in a barn or something, and he's not really so concerned about quality. He just needs things to be up and running. So anyway, we're going to give this to him. He'll be able to make good use of it, and the water heater and recirculating pump are all working good again. All new parts, everything is good. Alright, so that's what we did today for fun. And it was a warranty, so basically we did everything for free. Okay, we back our product. Okay, see you on the next video. Hope you enjoyed this one. On another note, the sink I put in the other day that Archie likes so much has Chinese-made flexible risers, and they smell heavily of chemical, and we have to run the hoses for about a minute to get that chemical smell out. Buy American, don't buy Chinese, it's junk.